Good morning, guys. We are here in Harvey, Western Australia. Today is a Good Friday. We are going to go to the beach with my granddaughter Rina.
Hello to my mom.
Hi to all my viewers. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
See you guys. Bye. Hello guys, we are here in Banbury Wildlife. Now, Rina, what do you want to say?
I go today. We go to the playground and see animals.
You want to see the animals? Oh, no, ito yung mga sasakyan namin. Ayan, saka yung mga kasama namin, oh. Yun, guys. So, dito kami ngayon sa Banbury Wildlife. See you later.
I'm going to play now.
Okay. Kasi, how are you? Nag-swing-swing sila ni Ate. One. No, not like that. Go on one side and then go. 1, 2, go. Hi guys, Rina now playing in the playground with a friend. You want to come with us? Come here. Come. Come. Yeah. Yeah. That's Rina's friend. See? See? Hi. 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 Oh, down.
Thank you. Papa, did you want to go to this big one?
Yeah, we can go there.
It's my sheep.
Wow, it's nice. Turn the other side, clockwise direction.
Papa, can you push it?
Oh, I push. Okay, like this. Hey.
No, you have to be
See?
faster.
Faster?
Yeah.
Wait, wait. Sit down. Ah.
You have to right here.
It's nice.
Yeah, you get stuck.
Ah, hilo na ako, hilo na. Oh, you just hold in the bar. Okay, pull.
I can like.
Maybe you fall down. Hold in the bar here, baby, like this. Hold like this. I feel dizzy now, baby.
Okay, I will stop it.
Oh, careful. Careful. Wait for Papa to stop it. Wait. Okay.
I'll just stop it.
Yeah. There, oh. What's that? It's a big playground.
That's so much fun.
Maybe you can sit down here, baby. Yeah, just hold there. Then I go another side. Okay. Okay, sit down and hold. Okay, not like that. Not like that. Like this, oh. Like this. Yeah, like that, oh. See? Okay, I give it to you. Okay, down. Yeah. The other leg also. Yan, okay? 1. You're too heavy, baby. Wow. Huh? Enough? And sit down?
Yeah.
I'm too heavy for you. Hey, you're too high now. See? Yes, guys, we are here in Banbury Wildlife. All the kinds of animals, the birds, and high-risk animals. Okay. Oh, so cute. Hi. Come here. Okay. Right. Welcome to my vlog. It's good. Oh. Oh, pass by. Oh. Ayun guys, nandito na kami sa mga duck. Baga itik lang yan ni itik. Oh, may kasama pang kalapati. Oh, Rina's coming. You want to see here? Oh, no, 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 no. Alright guys, we're going now back to the other places here in Banbury Wildlife.
Papa, how about this?
What's that?
Duck.
Oh, duck. Tick. Mother duck is missing.
Can we try?
Okay.
We have some fun things.
Show them a good video.
Yeah, let's go.
You can make it a little bit higher. Yeah, like that. Looks alright. Oh. There's another bird. Don't be shy. Come in and say hi.
Ginawa niyang tungkod yung...
Yan, yan ba?
Yung pink.
Oh,
Ginawa
ano?
niyang tungkod
Pink
yung
talaga, no?
niya, big niya. Cute. Ginawa niya yung tungkod yung tungkod niya.
Alright guys. See people watching animals. Birds and birds. Bird.
Dito ito. Mga 4 grand yan.
Yeah, gatabi eh.
Mag-side view ka para maganda. Mag-side view.
Ba't may ano siya no? Dito. Parang manok.
Para po siyang mix ng pink na yun tsaka ito eh.
Cleo. Nikki. Yung mga pangalan nila si Cleo at saka si Nikki and Cleo. Oh. Hello Cleo. How are you?
Nakakagat ka lang po.
Uy, kakatay.
Ganun nung pula, Spider-Man.
Oh, ito mga kasama ng mga kakato. Ito, mga ito.
Ito kami naman kakatulog.
Ito, kakatok to, kakatok.
O yung susunod natin pupuntahan, ayun na po yung favorite na bird nila. Napili niya po kami pinapabili.
Ay, kasi. Come here, Papa. Come here. Pwede, Papa. Oh, tinanggal na yung bonnet. Ang lambing naman ng baby eh. Oh. What's that? Oh, tara na. Here we go. Let's go. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Dali. Come here. Come. Come over here. Come. Come. Oh, very cute. Come here. Come here. Say hi to the birds. Hi. Hi, birds. I'm Cassie. What's your name, birds? My name is Cleo and Nikki. Oh, go na, go. 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 May iwan ka dyan. Go. Go, go. Go, go. There's another bird here. Kookaburra. Kookaburra. Meat sneakers. What's that? What's that, baby?
Ano
Huh?
yun?
Wombat.
I'm really cute but I bite hard.
Oh, no. I bite hard.
Careful anak ha.
Huwag mong ilagay ang kamay mo sa screen. Ah, ano pala siya? Sherman. Ano pagbasa niyan? Sherman. Sherman.
Pangalan niya siya. Sherman pang pangalan niya. Pero ano siya, wombat siya.
Wombat siya. Oh. Sherman siya. Ah.
Wombat?
Oh, ito si Ed Sheeran. Oh, Ed Sheeran. Ding, ang bato.
Darna! Dito maganda. Dito na ang gulo. Ito.
Sino naman yan? Si
Ano po yan? Red-tailed kakatu.
Black Kakatu. Red tail. Di siya namunuka.
Nak, hindi mo alam.
Oh, baka tukain niya ang daliri mo.
Hindi mo alam.
Ano ang pangalan nila? Si Ebony.
Ebony yung babae po yun.
Ebony! Where is an ivory?
Basta may dot sila, mga dot babae.
Ah.
Pag plain black lalaki.
Ayun ba? May mga ano pala yan.
Flower lang talaga.
Now we are approaching in the kangaroos farmyard. See how the pictures here. The goat. Meh. Meh. Oh meh. Oh meh. Kain na. Bait na.
Ano lama, daddy? Hindi pa yan, ano, alpaca yan.
Alpaca yan. Oh.
Alpaca yan.
Alpaca yan, hindi yan ano, hindi yan giraffe. Giraffe, ano ba? Wait for me, wait for me. Oh, nangagaw ka. Ka na eh. Ano ba? Me. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Here. What can I give you? Takaw naman, malaki na yan. Siya lang lahat. Alpaca. Kiliti. Ay, kiliti ako. Ano ba yan? Ay, ka naman layo. Kamag pakain. Para ma-experience mo rin makakiliti ang kamay mo. Ay, ka din. Sarap nga eh. Para ka. Sige ulit. Natatawa ako eh.
Ano to?
Hugas ka lang pagtapos.
Bagong ano siya, bagong...
Ano yan? Parang yung combination ng alpaca at saka ano? Tupa? Suplado mo ah.
Yung kabila.
Ayan. Nanlilisik ang mata niya, baka masakit yung ano kayan.
Masakit po tumingin yan.
Napaano pa ako?
Masakit dahil?
Hindi. Nakakagulat pa. Magugulat ka lang tito sa una. Kasi parang binibigla niya. Hindi. Gentle naman.
Gentle siya.
Very good.
Mami.
Try mo. Baka makwento ko sa inyo.
Very good.
Nakakita ko ng gumagalaw na kubo.
Para mas matakas sa sa'yo din. Kanina pa sabi.
Holding ka naman.
Hindi po, okay lang po ako.
Ang bato na lang, ang bato.
Ilang gramo po?
Alright guys, we're enjoying in Banbury Wildlife. Yan, pakainin mo, pwede yan.
Ito na pala yung kay-sparring ko eh.
Yeah, friendly kangaroo.
Yaba ng kuko.
Hinawakan pa siya. Nakapipicture lang kasi daddy.
Yaba ng kuko.
Hi.
O ikaw naman, Liza, kainin mo.
Ayun na,
Sige
tatakot
na,
ako eh.
kita mo naman hindi naman.
Tatakot
May experience mo rin naman ang pagpakain, oh.
Ayoko talaga. Try mo na kaya.
Ano naman sila,
Mabait
mga
eh.
grass lang ang kinakain ng mga yun.
Oo.
Hindi mo kumakain ng ano. Meat.
Ikaw, te.
Ah.
Parang ako, wala. Parang gusto ko na ako nakatakot ako.
Talagang nawakan niya kasi baka alis ka na eh. Sabi niya meron pa, ba't ka naaalis? Busog na yun, wala naman yan eh. Awa ka naman. Liza, can you please hold it to me?
Nakapatay naman dito.
Hindi, ano mo lang, nakaon yan. Agay. Ano ba? Sakit naman. Dandan. Talagang inano mo talaga ang kamay ko ah. Wala na oh. No more. Yan ang ano tawag sa atin yan? Bantam.
Hindi ko po alam. Ang ganda wala.
Okay ba yan? Ayan na.
Kangaroos so strong. Yeah, there's a sensitive
Alpaca.
Nagagalit.
No more? Want some?
Lang hindi nang hahawak. Ay, laki ng mata niya na to.
Kangaroo, how are you? You're full? You're full now? Ikaw nangaagaw ka eh. Saan ba yung hugasan? Ano ba sa labas? So yun guys, we are on the way out now.
Ang tawa ni
Bingo, ha? Mga agat yan.
May lupus pala yan.
Pala yung beef.
May lupus siya, may sakit siya.
Wala, joke lang.
Bingo.
Bingo! Hi!
Ay, meron pang isa doon.
Dingga naman yung isa.
Ito yung yan. Dapat may pangalan sila. Tapos napipicture.
What happened to you, Rina? Are you tired? Huh? Look at the camera.
Oh, look, Papa camera.
You're tired, huh?
Tired.
Tired na ang aming baby.
Why?
Wala na.
Do not feed daw dingo. Kain mo mag-isa, parang yung kamay mo ang makain. Mag-isa ka!
Enough, Daddy.
Enough na.
I'm done.
Long-beard gorilla. Kakatuwa.
Ah, ito pala yung Toyota Corolla.
Hindi natutulog yun.
Nangagat daw yan.
Oh, nagbabait daw ha, bite.
Toyota Corolla.
Hindi, nagbabait yung pinuno ka.
Go, go.
I will go with you.
Where? Playground! You want to play with the bee? What would you like? I like bunny. What is this? Oh.
You're so bigat. Uy, dito tayo pag bigat.
Reptile, huh? Diyan namang ahas. Kachi, kachi. Welcome to the room of no return. What is that, baby? Are you looking for something animal? Oh, baby. Where's the snake? Where's the snake here? Oh my god. Sleeping. Sleeping snake.
I need
What is inside? Nothing. Still alive. Lizard. Ah, lizard. Ah, that's the lizard. Green lizard. Lizard. Baby, there is at the top. Oh, that's the lizard. The green lizard. What is that?
Ano pala? Sabi nila kinagawa ng prank. Ang layo na hanap namin. Ganun pala kay Kuya. Sabi na yun, Chef Baby si Green Frog.
Ito. Ano naman natin?
Green lizard naman isa.
Hindi po, iguana yan pa.
Yeah.
Python ito.
Nasaan? Nasaan ang python?
Lit naman.
Hindi pa, tulog lang.
Ang laki? Ang laki?
Oo.
Ito isang bulag. Tingnan mo yung
What is that, baby? Turtle? Is that turtle? Oh, the big snake here. Oh, it's a big snake. I want to catch the snake.
I want to
Ah, you want to see? Okay. Put your hand inside. Ah. Oh, baby, what you can see here? Ants? You see the ants? Nothing, he said. Good. No more. Ito yung mga display nila, mga souvenirs. Display souvenirs, t-shirt, cups, for children, mugs. Here on the stop, Bakwala, kangaroos, kakatu. Hi. Now we're going to go outside. Kachi kachi. Ayun guys, galing kami sa Wildlife Memory and in after in Nando's restaurant.
Barbecue.
Time to eat now. See? Oh, start na.
Ano yan? Kain na muna.
Abot na kayo. Yung ano, plate. Kung ano, may mga plate doon. Tsaka tinidor, kutsara. Self-service.
Oh, later kain. Kala ko gutom na.
Ayun guys, pagtapos namin kumain ng Nando's, nandito naman kami ngayon sa Bambana Beach Resort.
Papa, can I wear my shoes?
No, it's cold baby. No, just watch.